Hi, welcome to another episode of Practical Programming. Today we'll try to correct one of the mistakes I made in a couple of previous videos, or just one of them, and I told you in previous video that I'm gonna correct it, but I kind of forgot, so I'm gonna try to correct that one over here. So we would be removing this class pair, like which is in the package JavaFX util pair, because it is only comes from the Oracle JDK and it's not a part of OpenJDK. So if you're trying to get that from IntelliJ IDEA or Android Studio, you might not find that class, and it has no business being over there. So to try to keep things our code aligned and try to keep it clean and try to do whatever needs to be done, I have to remove it. Don't need to, but it needs to be removed, so anybody using my project would be able to run that code. So let's jump to our IDE and try to fix that. Cool, now that we're here, we'll try to fix our code or try to not do any more damages that we have done already, or which I have done already, and put it on your shoulders. Or the way my friend used to say to me, or who still tells me not to annoy him. Pair, right? We need to remove this because some of you would not be able to use it if you're using OpenJDK or something which comes from Android Studio or something which is related to IntelliJ IDEA. Cool, so I need to remove pair. Okay, so I'm gonna substitute our own class and we gonna have X and Y inside it. Let me create that. Coordinate. Okay, this is a, oops, my bad. This is a class. Yeah, so I was telling you about my friend who tells me I annoy him a lot. So he has came up with this policy. X, okay, and Control D, Y. And according to this policy, I can ask him only 5 questions a day because I work with him remotely. I need to ask him question. Come on, I have to. But I annoy him way too much. I agree, I do that sometimes, but not always I mean to. So according to this policy, I cannot ask him more than 5 questions because every question I ask is annoy him way too much. Oh, why do I do that? I don't know why. I love it. So at this point, I usually used to ask him all 5 questions in a day and used to complete my quota. Then I realized if I could just, ask 1 question a day and be done with it, it should be good for him, good for me. And when a Friday comes, I can, whatever questions I carry forward, I can ask them all the way. But he doesn't like that anymore. So last Friday, he just told me he went on vacation. So I missed something. So instead of making the mistakes at work, I came over here and did all the mistakes I'm not supposed to do it. So forgive me for that. But I'm trying to improve here. Oh yeah, and I forgot to wish him his birthday. So I told him, hey, I will send you a card, okay? Give me your address. He was afraid I'll show up on his door, so he did not give me his address. I can't believe that. Maybe he doesn't like me anymore. Alright. Now coordinate is here. There you go. So that's what we're gonna return. It's gonna give me a problem that, okay, it's not a pair anymore. Cool. So you might ask me, why did I make a mistake like this? It's because I have a quota, like for a day how many mistakes I can make. That day I work, the amount of work I did wasn't enough. I happened to come early from work, so I had to make mistakes somewhere. So you know what, I might as well done it over here. Cool, but I'm working on it, improving. Coordinate, oops, coordinate, and Y. So I'll print that. This should be a lowercase, so let me do Shift F6. Okay, Shift F6 and make it small keys. There you go. And let's try to run this. Hope it works. And I ruined it here. I need my card. X-axis and Y-axis, I need that. Okay, let's run this. Hope we still get the answers. U call still acceptable, and if I do LL or DD or, cool, it still gives me the answer I was looking for. So that works for us. Cool guys, so fine, I corrected my mistake, and please subscribe that I can make more videos, and I will try not to do things like this which will give you hard time. And yeah, I'm gonna put the code in the description so you can look up the project. And thank you so much for your time. You have a great day.